Okay, what about the second task? Here, as you can see, we have three forces and we should find the net force. So, what does it mean, net force? It is F1 plus F2 plus F3. So, let's start here. As you can see, we have axes y and x. They will help us to write some equations. Okay, let's start then. First of all, I want to write the how can I say, net force for x axis and net force for y axis. So first of all, let me write net for x. Where can I write? Okay, here maybe it is suitable. So for net force at x axis, it will be F1 first force x plus F2 x force and also F3 x. And let's write also net force, but for y axis. So F net y equal to F1 y plus F2 y and plus F3 y. Okay, I write and here the components of the forces are determined with respect to the axis, right? We understand this one. So here, thus, let's start from the F1 first force. How can I write? Which equation can I write for first force? So F1 x equal to F1 cosinus here 45 degree. Here I want to mention that here it is F3, but I saw this like F1. Here F1. My eyes are really but really. So here, as you can see, F1 equal to 50 Newton, and let's multiply it through my calculator. But first of all, let me write F1 for y-axis too. So it will be like vice versa, F1 sinus 45 degree. So let me quickly calculate this for x and y. Whoa. Okay, they are all same. 35 Newton and also 35 Newton. Okay, here, and let's move to the F2 second force. Second force is much easier. Why? Because it is pointing along the y-axis, as you can see. So if here I lost my pen. So F2x will be 0, actually 0 Newton. And what about the y? and y will be just 20, as you can see here. 20. Okay, F to y equal to 20 Newton. And here finally F3. What about F3? Third or fourth? To find the components of this force, I need to recognize, because F3 points straight down, and the angle between F3 and x-axis is actually 75 degrees. Okay, so let me choose another color of my pen. So let's start. What should I write? F3 x will be here F3 cosinus 75, yeah, as I mentioned before, and it will be here F3 equal to 57 Newton. So let me calculate. Okay, it is actually 15 Newton. And what about the F3y? F3 multiply sinus 75. Okay, it will equal to negative 55 Newton. Okay, let me move to another new page. So here we find all numbers, let's say, for x and y of each force. So let's write then here F3, wait, sorry, F net for x again will equal to here 35 plus 0 and plus 15, and it is equal to 50 Newton actually, the sum 50. And what about the y? Net y equal to 35 plus 20, yeah, 20, and here we have negative number minus 55, so it will be 0 actually. Thus the net force is, so here let's write the final. Thus here the net force will equal to just 50I, because here it is 0, so it doesn't matter if we don't write it. Okay, and this is my answer, and that's all.